In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a domain your favorite in Cloudflare. Whether you're managing multiple domains or just want quick access to a specific one, this simple guide will show you how to prioritize your chosen domain and make it stand out in your dashboard. Let's get started by navigating to the Cloudflare dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main page of your account. Here, you can view all the domains you've added and are currently managing via Cloudflare. This overview is particularly beneficial for anyone handling multiple sites, as it helps streamline various processes and decisions by presenting everything at a glance. The next thing you'll want to do is locate the specific domain you intend to set as your favorite. Take a moment to scroll through your list of domains on the dashboard. Typically, these domains are listed by name, making it relatively easy to find the one you're looking for. Once you've identified your desired domain, pay attention to the right side of your screen. You'll notice there are 3 small dots next to your domain name. These dots are part of a drop-down menu feature, which gives you access to a variety of options for managing your domain settings directly from the dashboard interface. This is particularly handy when you need to make quick adjustments without having to navigate away from the overview. Go ahead and click those 3 dots. When you do, several options will appear in the drop-down menu. Among these options is the one you're most looking for: unstar domain. Now, while the wording might seem a bit counterintuitive, selecting this option actually serves to highlight the domain. It prioritizes it in your dashboard view, essentially transforming it into your favorite or go-to domain. This will make it easier for you to find and manage among all your other domains. And that's it. You've successfully set up your domain as a favorite, ensuring it's readily accessible whenever you log into Cloudflare. This is especially useful if you frequently need to monitor or modify settings on that domain. By making it your favorite, it becomes a small but powerful tool that can significantly enhance your efficiency in managing your web presence. It allows you to focus on the areas that matter most to you without the hassle of sorting through numerous entries. I hope you found this walkthrough straightforward and useful. Taking advantage of these features can save you significant time and effort in the long run, streamlining your workflow and allowing you to focus more on what you love doing. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to reach out in the comments below.